for the street today, I got one very interesting question for una. The question be say, between snoring, person wey dey snore for sleep, wey dey make all those soundtracks, wey no get any kind pleasant for ear, all them that one, na that kind of story I dey talk about. And person wey dey fat, I know am as mess. Person wey dey mess, wey dey make all those, you know we get some mess wey dey sound like pra po po pra pa pa. We get mess wey no dey make any sound, but that one dey deadly. Now, between these two, which one vex you pass?
That mess na it was pass.
You know like person wey dey mess
At all.
but you dey mess now.
But the one when be say they don't lock door everywhere, where you go escape?
So you prefer snoring to farting?
Yes.
Person wey dey nurse
Wey dey snore? Why?
because it's disturbing my sleep.
So you fit deal with person wey dey mess for your side,
I can deal with that one.
but you no fit deal with snoring at all.
No, I don't like it.
Pattern.
Farting? Why?
The odor alone is something else.
You no fit deal with that kind of odor. That's the first girl that you be now. Thank you very much.
Snoring.
Why?
I won't be able to sleep.
But you know say e get some kind mess wey e fit destroy person destiny.
Mess, you still fit excuse yourself small now. If the odor bad, you go just run comot. But no, you no fit comot for house for midnight now, and it will just be giving me headache sef, because I won't be able to sleep at all.
I get this guy like this, as if this guy fat, fit throw.
That one deep.
So that guy, if he snore when he dey close to am, if he no sleep again till daybreak. But if he wear it too, yeah, they collect snoring. Nose they collect farting. That one they enter belly, that one they enter ear. I feel say snoring na make sense pass.
So in other words, person go fast beside you, you no go like am at all. But you fit manage person wey dey snore.
I feel manage person wey dey snore. I feel no sleep that night, just manage, struggle. At the end, I feel sleep. But farting, it go change my mood. My face go change. I feel vex self insult the person.
Snoring, yo. I beg.
Why?
I don't like when someone is snoring beside me. I will get angry and I will not sleep again. I will not. But if it's mess, I will just leave the area and let the person stay that place. That's all.
Well, for that kind of sleep and that sleep, you
It will not be there again, no. The mood to sleep again will not be there, because the person will continue doing that. Even if you shake the person will continue with it. And so I prefer farting to snoring.
The fat,
farting.
the odor.
The odor.
Yeah.
You know the fat.
Well, everybody does. It's a nature.
So how come they annoy you? How come snoring no dey annoy you? How come na mess wey everybody dey do dey annoy you?
Well, both of them are irritating, but we have to pick one.
So na that one dey vex you pass.
Actually, want me to pick really, I'll pick snoring.
Snoring dey vex you pass.
Yes.
I think snoring.
Why?
Especially when I want to sleep at night and I got to sleep with somebody who snores, I won't be able to sleep. But fat, I can still enjoy because sometimes it smells, sometimes it doesn't. And sometimes I can easily give a space. Are you getting? But snoring, you can't.
So you no fit deal.
No, especially at night, you won't have a place to sleep without that place.
Fat.
Why?
Because it makes the environment inconducive.
You know the mess.
It's not that I know the mess, but you know, when you're sleeping, you might be sleeping with somebody, and once you mess, the environment seems to be inconducive.
So you no fit deal with person wey mess for your side.
No, it's not that you will not mess. If you want to mess, you can excuse yourself and mess instead of inconveniencing people around you.
The two is not good anyway. But if I should say somebody messing, you know, bringing out expression in the public or wherever, maybe we are eating or whatever, I think that one is very annoying.
You no fit deal with that kind of thing.
I can't take it.
But you know say everybody dey mess, sha.
Everybody mess, but with respect. You can do it with respect. If you want to mess, you know that actually you want to mess, you go out and mess.
Man, there be some mess so when no give sign.
It must give you sign.
Now snoring, now really the best me pass. You understand?
Why?
Why? Because snoring, it will make you dey very much uncomfortable. You understand? Because it's a continual process. As they maybe when you are sleeping, So you know say now the time for you to take rest after your day-to-day activities. So the time you ought to have relaxed, and you see the snoring is like a continual process. And the more the snoring is going on, it keeps going on. So it might disturb you all through the night that you have sleepless night.